Hey you guys, today we're doing a little mini unboxing. This is a really cute little package that came from Ermana. I have one men's face oil that I'm gonna open up first, and then I have a natural skincare set that I'm gonna be sharing with you. This will be real quick. I just kind of want to share the experience, and I can't really get that thing open. Okay. So this is what the serum looks like. It's in a glass jar. It's with rosewood and galbanum. Apply a few drops of oil to fingertips and then massage into the skin using light strokes. Nourish and hydrating for your skin. Hand blended in Scotland, Glasgow. Very cool. Definitely going to gift this to my fiance. I don't even want to open it. This is the cute little box. So it comes like this, and very cute packaging. Like, I want to keep this because it's so cute. And it comes with a little washcloth, cleanse balm, and this has grapefruit and galbanum too. I hope I'm not saying that wrong. And I'll show you guys what this looks like. These are a little finicky when you open them, but oh, that's not cute to have a little number in there. But I guess it tells you when 12/5/18. I guess that's when it was boxed. This is the cleanse balm. Looks like that. It's a hard balm. And then we have Renew face oil. So I'm assuming it's going to be very similar to the men's face oil, like same sort of bottle. Yes, it's almost the same thing. It's just with a pink or red kind of outline. Neroli and yin and yang. I like that because, yeah, I love oils. It smells delightful. Here, maybe I'll do a little swatch. Little cute dropper. Smells really good. Yeah, so that's a nice little set that we got from them. And let me just read you a little something since there's nothing on the back. The balm contains shea butter, cocoa butter, coconut oil, almond oil, beeswax, and the body oils are apricot oil, macadamia, jojoba, vitamin E. So what makes these guys different? I guess they have different kind of balms, lip balms, foot balms, muscle balms, body oils, face oils. So they're all about oils and balms. Very, very cool. I go to nature to be soothed and healed and to have my senses put into tune once more. John Rokes. It's like a quote. Cool. Well, very nice of them to send this over. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Connect with me on LinkedIn even. Make sure that you share this video or tag a friend, but use the little share button. Make sure you like the video so I know you actually liked it, or if you didn't like it so much, let me know why so I can try to improve in the future. It's a little hard with these unboxings because you can't see too much of like what the products are unless they're like makeup with swatches and things like that. So please, thank you for being open-minded to seeing what these products look like and to share this unboxing experience with me. It is quite fun to open up new packages and see how different companies brand everything and what they're doing to create something different and new and exciting. So hope you enjoyed it.